Hunter's turn.
All right. Let Hunter give it a shot. Oh yeah, look at that.
Good job.
Let me too.
Okay. Alex, take
Stand back, Alice.
Whoa, Hunter. Going to town.
I'm doing it as strong as I can.
Okay, back up, Alex.
Jeez.
Oh, sideways, Hunter. Sideways. We're keep working on the same hole right there that we already started.
All right.
All right, take a break.
Nice job.
Great.
Turn.
Yeah, pretty strong.
We're really strong. Let's say knock down the whole
Go.
wall. Frank, whichever part you want.
Good, Alice. That's it. Nice. You got it.